So I'm gonna do my sister's nails, and this has been how long now?
1 month.
So she does have one nail that's broken, so I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. So this is how that nail looks, and I wanted to preserve as much as her natural nail as possible. I use my sandwich dual forms along with my Armor Jelly Gel. I'm just gonna blend it to the rest of her fridge. Right, so this is how this nail looks after we filed. Look at that. The crack is sealed. This is sturdy. I'm gonna use toffee. And I always finish off with scrub and oil from my favorite Coco Mango.